পিরিয়ড বা মাসিক বিলম্বিত করার জন্য আপনার নরথেস্টেরন ট্যাবলেট প্রয়োজন।
Ever imagine having the power to say, plan a huge event without the worry of your period throwing a wrench in the works? Well, that's where today's deep dive topic comes in norethisterone.
Okay.
It's a medication you might have heard of, maybe even in hushed tones, but probably don't fully understand.
Right.
We're about to change that.
Yeah, that's right. We're going deep into the summary of product characteristics.
Okay.
Or SMPC for norethisterone 5 milligram tablets. It's basically the ultimate cheat sheet for healthcare professionals on this drug-dense, detailed, and frankly not the easiest read.
Exactly, which is where we come in. We're going to break down this complex medication so you can really understand what it does, how it works, and why it matters. So to kick things off, let's demystify what norethisterone actually is.
Okay.
In the simplest terms, it's a progestogen, which is a synthetic version of the hormone progesterone. Now, progesterone plays a massive role in a whole bunch of things, most notably the menstrual cycle and pregnancy.
Right.
And that, my friend, is the key to understanding why norethisterone has such a surprisingly wide range of uses.
Okay, that hormonal connection definitely seems important. I mean, the SMPC lists uses for everything from really heavy periods to even treating certain types of cancer.
Wow.
How can one medication do all that?
Because it all comes down to how norethisterone interacts with your body on a chemical level. So we all have these things called progesterone receptors, and they're like little control centers for hormones. Norethisterone acts like a key that fits into these locks. Depending on the specific receptor it binds to, different effects are triggered.
So it's like flipping different switches in the body.
Exactly.
That's fascinating.
At lower doses, norethisterone can help regulate the menstrual cycle, which is why it's used for issues like heavy periods or endometriosis, a condition where the tissue that normally lines the uterus grows outside of it.
That makes sense. And that's where the ability to postpone menstruation comes in, right? It's almost like hitting the pause button on your cycle, which I'm sure some people would find incredibly useful.
It is remarkable, isn't it? The SMPC even gets super specific about the dosage for delaying your period. 1 5 milligram tablet 3 times a day.
Wow.
So, এখন আপনারা বুঝতে পারলা একটা কিতা করে এই ঔষধে নথেস্টেরন তো এই ঔষধ ডাক্তারের সার্জারিত গিয়া আপনারা যদি রিকোয়েস্ট করেন তা আপনারা এই ঔষধ দেবইব যদি আপনি সুটেবল তা হয় এই ঔষধ খাইবার লাগি তো আমি ডাক্তারের সার্জারিত যে সময় কাজ করি আমি অনেক আমরা মুসলমান যারা যাইরা উমরাত বা হজ মহিলা হলে তারা একটা অর্ডার করিয়া ওটা তারা খাইলে একটা পিরিয়ড ডিলে করে তো তারা হজ করিয়া আইতা পারবা ইসলামিকলি আমি জানি না একটা জায়েজ কিনা একটা আপনারা বুঝতে হইবা একজন মেসাবল লাগে